So today I want to walk you through a very basic front-end application using Python and Streamlit. I really enjoy using Streamlit because it's very easy to use and easy to read, and it plugs right into your Python code. And the only extra thing you have to do is download an extra library. Alright, so we're going to build our Streamlit app in 3 steps. You can use a text editor of your choice, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be doing everything in the terminal. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a directory for your application. I'm calling it my app. We're using the function makedir my app. And you can see that we have it now on our desktop. And we're kind of going to leave it there so we can follow along as we code our project. So we're going to change into the application using cd my app. We're going to create a Python document for our application using touch app.py. And you can see app.py shows up right here. Now we have to create a virtual environment. And a virtual environment in Python keeps all of your packages in the same place, and it doesn't change any of the packages in your computer. So virtual environments are really important. I'm going to type in Python 3.9-m vnv vnv to make a new environment. And you can see our environment shows up right here. And to activate it, we need to use this activate command. To activate the environment, we run a short script, source vnv bin activate. And as you can see, our virtual environment is up and running. Next thing we want to do is install our requirements. Since this is a basic helloWorld example, all we need to install is the Streamlit package. We do that with a pip install Streamlit. If you want to add any other libraries that you're familiar with or that you need to build your application, now would be the time to do it. And you can see in our bin, we have Streamlit. Now we just need to code and run our app. So again, I'm not going to use a text editor for this. I'm just going to do everything in the terminal, and I'm going to do that with a function called nano. I'm typing in nano app.py. That opens up a very basic text editor in our terminal. I'm going to fill in the following, where I import Streamlit as st. And then I create a text area where we can input some text. I find this is really useful when I'm creating applications that interact with the OpenAI API. And this line right here will show us our output after we insert text into the text area. So at the end, we just Control X to exit, press Y to save, and we can run our application using Streamlit run app.py. And there you go. That should be your first application in Streamlit. Hopefully that was helpful. Stick around for the next one. Thanks.